Alright, so this is October 1st. Today was a boring snooze fest day. Let's go back to 9:30. My chart, I'm gonna leave my charts all marked up already. So, okay. So I marked out yesterday high, which is where I took my trade today. Yesterday's low, value area high, POC, um, and then some resistance levels that I didn't really play off, but that's what my chart was looking like coming into today. We had a balanced session. Regular trading hours look balanced, no poor highs or lows. Overnight net short, 100% net short. Balanced, very balanced session. So I'm coming in balanced today. We have we had data lows. Shoot, we had 8:15 data lows and highs. I marked out both of those. The market opened up. I missed this trade. I completely dropped the ball on this. Opened up, we get absorption at the data lows, which is this thin blue line. Unfinished auction, unfinished auction, unfinished auction. Come down again, sweep out all of those, finish the auction, and we get exhaustion on the footprint. Could have taken your long right here. Would have been like a 100+ point trade, obviously, if you wanted to hold it that long. That was the only thing I saw that was actually kind of enticing to me. We take the data high. I don't really see anything here. We take the single print. Oh yeah, there was a single print. Nothing much at the single print. Nothing much at value area high. No retest. I'm not trying to get long here. Was some decent setups here, but we had big buy orders or sell orders up here on the level 2 up here. So I wasn't taking shorts here. I just wasn't interested in it because I wanted us to push higher. We eventually sell off pretty heavily. We come back down. We scare yesterday low. I don't take anything here. We eventually buy up again. Nothing here. And 10 o'clock news, I believe this was. Yep, 10 o'clock news. Nothing interesting. I'm still not watching this single print. The single prints, I'll just delete that. I was interested in this at the value area high right here, but we had a bunch of orders up here at 848, so I played it super safe. Obviously, it worked out. I would have been stopped out because we had large orders up here, so I really didn't want to play this. We eventually buy up through it. Was some orders here at the 76s, but there wasn't anything that I was too interested in because we kept seeing orders higher and higher. So at this rate, I was interested in getting long. I didn't take a long here. I didn't take a long here. I didn't take a long here at all. I don't know why. These were all very good setups to take because it was so obvious we wanted the high because we had so many stacked orders here. Orders kept pushing up. We kept getting absorption at this 76 level. It was just a resistance level right here from the overnight. We kept getting absorption here. I just didn't take any longs. And then I was just sitting in this chop forever until we finally broke. We get the delta flip, the 484 to the 146. We get absorption up here with this 90 contracts. Sellers step in. I took it short at the 10s right here at the 10s. And then I exited it right down here because I just needed like $1,000 to pass my eval. I could have held it longer, but there's no reason. And then so that's where we're at now. So that was the recap of today. Hopefully that makes sense. Just one of those days where you have to be super patient. Like I said in the Discord, just patience pays. These longs are all good setups. In my opinion, I just didn't take any of them. These shorts weren't good setups in my mind because if you saw the level 2, you saw we had so many orders stacking up. It was so obvious that we wanted the high. So yeah, so that's October 1st. That was my recap for today. Proud of myself today, I guess. Good discipline. I should have taken this long off of the data low. I was kind of upset about that. That was such a clean setup. That was the only thing I'm upset about, but I'm glad I didn't FOMO into anything. I didn't try to force any of these getting stuck up in this range. I waited for it to break. So, yeah.